Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, in this session we are going to discuss the usage of a lot of, lots of, much and many. We have already discussed the usage of little, a little, few and a few in our previous session. So, and I hope you are clear with the usage of the same. So let's begin this session now. Friends, I have already explained you the difference between countable and uncountable nouns, right? We use a lot of with plural and uncountable nouns, right? I've got a lot of friends. That means precisely a lot of is used with countable and uncountable nouns, right? I've got a lot of friends. He drank a lot of water. There are a lot of dogs in the street. बहुत सारे हैं. A lot of मतलब बहुत सारे. I have a lot of time to answer your questions. I saw a lot of people waiting in the queue. We did have a lot of fun, didn't we? So, a lot of मतलब बहुत सारा. We can use a lot of in all kinds of sentences, whether the sentences are positive, negative or questions, right? We can use a lot of. He doesn't eat a lot of vegetables, right? That's a negative sentence, still we are using a lot of. Did he do a lot of work? Questions, right? So we can use a lot of in all kinds of sentences, positive, negative and questions. We can use a lot of with countable and uncountable nouns. We can use lots of in informal situations. See, there is hardly any difference between the usage of a lot of and lots of, right? Just this small thing is there. We generally use lots of in informal situations. I've got lots of friends. Here I tell you I've got a lot of friends, and here it is I've got lots of friends, right? So both of them convey the same meaning. मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं. Are there lots of discos? We have lots of time to catch the plane. Let's relax. There are lots of people in the queue today. Oh my God, you have spent lots of money on clothes. I have lots of questions. Okay, so I hope you are clear. Now, we normally prefer to use much in negative sentences and questions. Here I am discussing much and many. We normally prefer to use much in negative sentences and questions. We almost, or we can say, I can say, never use much in positive sentences. We almost always use a lot of or lots of, right? So much is generally used in negative sentences and questions. We'll be taking examples. But in affirmative sentences with so, as or to, we also use much or many. And we use many in all type of sentences, maybe positive, negative. Okay, we use much with uncountable nouns and we use many with plural nouns, or I can say countable nouns, right? So what's the difference between much and many? Much is used in negative sentences as well as questions, and it is used with uncountable nouns. Many is used with countable nouns or plural nouns, and apart from that we can use it with all type of sentences, right? So let's see. I haven't got many pens. I haven't got much money, right? Pen, countable noun. I haven't got many pens. I haven't got much money. Money is uncountable, so we are using much with it. I have got many pens. I have got much money. That's incorrect. Okay, generally, as I've already told you, much is not used with positive sentences, right? It is used with negative sentences and questions. Okay, so I have got much money is incorrect. Now let's read some sentences. Let's take some examples. Does he know much English? English is uncountable noun, so we'll be using much over here. He didn't give me much food. Food, uncountable noun. Have you got many friends? Friends, countable noun, so we are using many. I haven't seen many films. We have got many friends. I have visited many countries in Europe. Many people go to university. I don't have many CDs in my collection. They don't have much money to buy a present. How many brothers do you have? Is there much milk in the fridge? I have so many friends. She has too much money. Okay? Friends, with the word times, we use many times, more than, a lot of times, lots of times, right? It sometimes means frequently or often. This is my favorite book. I have read it many times. Don't worry, I have done this many times. We have stayed at this hotel many times over the years. We can use a lot and much without a noun at the end of a sentence. We use very much in positive and negative sentences. I don't go to cinema much or a lot, right? In these sentences which I have shown you over here, a lot and much is, or a lot or much is used at the end of end of the sentence. Okay, I don't go to cinema a lot. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पिक्चर देखने नहीं जाता हूँ. I like Mumbai a lot. I like Mumbai very much. I don't like Jaipur very much. Okay, so very much, a lot ये sentence के end में use हो रहा है, end में आ रहा है. Okay, do you like her? No, not much. Did you enjoy the film? Yes, a lot, or yes, very much. Okay, so we can use a lot and much without a noun at the end of a sentence. Okay, we use very much in positive and negative sentences, right? Yes, very much, or no, I don't like Jaipur very much, right? Here negative sentence, here positive. Okay, now see this chart. A lot or lots of with plural and or uncountable noun, that means with countable and uncountable noun, all sentences positive negative questions. Much with uncountable nouns only, generally negative sentences and questions. Many with plural nouns, negative sentences and questions, and positive sentences, but positive but formal positive sentences, right? We use how much with uncountable nouns, right? How much is the quantity, but when do we use how much? With uncountable nouns only. And how many with countable nouns. Similarly, much we use with uncountable noun and many we use with countable noun, right? So similarly, how much with uncountable noun, how many with countable noun. To ask questions about quantity, right? We can use how much or how many without a noun if the meaning is clear. How much cheese did you buy? How many biscuits have you eaten? Now cheese is uncountable. तो कितना चीज तुमने buy किया है? तो how much? How many biscuits? Biscuits can be counted. So how many biscuits have you eaten? तुमने कितने जो है biscuits हैं वो खाए हैं? How much do you earn? तुम कितना कमाते हो, right? अब जो money है, कितना कमाते हो, it means आप पैसों के लिए पूछ रहे हो कितना पैसे कमाते हो, right? So you don't have to specify, right? Without a noun if the meaning is clear. How much do you earn? Okay, so how much money do you earn? It's not necessary to say. You can say how much do you earn. Okay. So वापस एक बार देख लेते हैं. Much हम कब यूज करते हैं? नेगेटिव और क्वेश्चंस के साथ में, और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ में. मैनी हम यूज करते हैं, पॉजिटिव के साथ में भी यूज करते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा फॉर्मल, और काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ हम यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो जस्ट थोड़े सेंटेंसेस हम यहाँ पे रीड कर लेते हैं. He doesn't spend much time, right? Doesn't spend, negative sentence है, right? He doesn't spend much time, and time यहाँ पर non-countable noun है, uncountable noun है, right? So he doesn't spend much time with his family. That means वो अपनी family के साथ में ज़्यादा time spend नहीं करता. Too many people in modern society live in an atmosphere of stress, right? People, countable noun, so many. How much milk do you need for tonight? Milk, uncountable noun. How much, that question is there. So how much milk do you need? Do we need for tonight? Did you buy much food? Question, uncountable noun. So we use much. Did you buy much food? He has lots of problems. Okay. There are a lot of cars in the car park. I want lots of apples. I want a lot of apples, or I want lots of apples. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. We haven't got much luggage. Luggage uncountable noun. Negative sentence है तो much use हुआ है. Okay. I didn't have much to give you. Again negative and कुछ देने की बात है तो काउंट नहीं कर सकते तो मच. आई डिडंट हैव मच टू गिव यू. आप सेशन पॉज करके सारे सेंटेंसेस 2 से 3 बार रीड करिए, अच्छा रहेगा. He put too many spoons of sugar in his tea. Now spoon of sugar, right? Spoons of sugar can be counted. 1 spoon sugar, 2 spoon sugar. इसलिए यहाँ पर many आया है, right? He put too many spoons of sugar in his tea. जो टू का यूज है वो हम अलग से भी देखेंगे. टू जनरली नेगेटिव एक आइडिया देता है, बहुत ज्यादा डाल दिया है, राइट, जो सही नहीं है, मतलब कुछ ज्यादा ही हो गया है. जैसे ही पुट टू मैनी स्पून्स ऑफ शुगर इन हिज टी, मतलब कुछ जरूरत से ज्यादा ही उसने चीनी डाल दी है चाय में, राइट. बट हम टू का यूज अलग से भी देखेंगे. बस आप अभी यहाँ पे इतना ध्यान रखिए कि इसका थोड़ा नेगेटिव सेंस होता है, जरूरत से ज्यादा. दे स्पेंड टू मच टाइम ऑन द टेस्ट. बहुत ज्यादा टाइम उन्होंने टेस्ट पे लगा दिया. वॉज देयर टू मच नॉइज इन द लाइब्रेरी, मतलब कुछ ज्यादा ही आवाज थी लाइब्रेरी में. ओके, और नॉइज इज अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. क्वेश्चन इज देयर, सो वॉज देयर टू मच नॉइज इन द लाइब्रेरी. ठीक है, तो मच का यूज हुआ है, नॉइज अनकाउंटेबल नाउन और एक क्वेश्चन है, तो इसकी वजह से. हाउ मेनी बुक्स डिड यू रीड लास्ट मंथ. जो बुक्स है काउंटेबल नाउन, that's why how many. How much money, money uncountable noun, that's why how much. Have you got any money. I have got some but not much. Okay, ये साथ में पढ़ी इन तीनों को. She didn't make many mistakes in the exam. Mistakes countable noun. How much do you want to deposit into your account. जब आपको क्वांटिटी ये पता नहीं है, मनी की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, तो मनी इज अनकाउंटेबल और क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे, इसलिए हाउ मच. चिंटू ईट्स टू मच जंक फूड. जंक फूड कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड, राइट, दैट्स व्हाई मच. और टू आया है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, ये एक नेगेटिव सेंस देता है, कुछ ज्यादा ही जंक फूड खाता है वो, विच इज नॉट हेल्दी. ही शुड नॉट डू दिस. ओके, सो चिंटू ईट्स टू मच जंक फूड. डिड यू बाय मैनी बुक्स. Books countable. We bought a lot of books. बहुत सारी किताबें हमने खरीदी. We don't know many people. We know a lot of people. Okay? She asked me a lot of questions. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन उसने मुझसे पूछे. Many women are not getting enough protein in their diet. Too many car accidents in the country are due to people drinking alcohol. How many students are there in the classroom? How many people are coming to the party? Many of the people who died in Hiroshima were killed by radiation. Too much sunlight can damage your skin. I like to drink a lot of coffee. There's lots of traffic in Mumbai. Eggs contain a lot of cholesterol. He contributes a lot of time and money to helping poor people. You should drink lots of water while you are playing sports. There's a lot of work. They don't have many friends. Okay, so just pause the session and read all the sentences 2 to 3 times. Okay, this way you will you'll be able to practice better. Okay. Now let's have some practice. There aren't many hotels here. We have to use much, many, a lot of, lots of. Okay, so there aren't many hotels here. Did you buy much bread? Bread uncountable noun. How would you like in your coffee? So how much sugar we can say, or how many spoons of sugar would you like in your coffee. How many spoons of sugar or how much sugar would you like in your coffee? He hasn't smoked too many cigarettes. How much money does she usually pay for a meal? Money uncountable noun, so we'll use much. How much money does she usually pay for a meal? Different hobbies has Bob got. Hobbies countable. So how many different hobbies has Bob got? How many prizes has he won? Prizes can be counted. So how many prizes has he won? I met of new people when I went to the party. Okay, so we have to use one of them. I met a lot of new people. Okay, I met, or I can use I met lots of new people when I went to the party. Okay, how did you get from this from the police? Okay, now information is actually uncountable noun. So how much information did you get from the police? Not many information. You cannot say one information, two information, right? So how much information did you get from the police? There isn't food in the cupboard. Food uncountable noun. So there isn't much food. Negative है, इसलिए there isn't much आएगा. Many नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि negative है. मीनिंगलेस हो जाएगा अगर हम मैनी यूज करेंगे तो. देयर इजंट मच फूड इन द कबर्ड. डिड यू लर्न इंग्लिश व्हेन यू लिव्ड इन लंदन? डिड यू लर्न मच इंग्लिश? इंग्लिश अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. सो डिड यू लर्न मच इंग्लिश व्हेन यू लिव्ड इन लंदन? आर देयर इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द ओशन? ओके. Are there many sharks? Shark can be counted. So are there many sharks in this part of the ocean? Or we can say a lot of sharks. I collect coins. Really? Okay, coin is a countable noun. So how many coins have you got? Okay. Did you answer in the exam? So we can say how many questions did you answer in the exam? Animals has Pammi got. How many animals has Pammi got? How much food do they eat? Food is uncountable noun. So how much food do they eat? Do you earn much money? Did you see many animals at the zoo? Have you got too much luggage? There isn't much news about this incident. I haven't got much furniture in my house. Furniture is uncountable noun. I haven't got much furniture in my house. I don't read many novels. Novels countable noun. We have many oranges. Okay, oranges can be counted. We don't have many bananas and we don't have much fruit juice. Fruit juice cannot be counted. You can count glass of fruit juice, but fruit juice cannot be counted, right? So we don't have much fruit juice, but banana can be counted. So we don't have many bananas and we don't have much fruit juice. Do you have any cereal? Yes, there is some in the kitchen. जब हम किसी भी चीज का प्राइस पूछते हैं तो हम ऐसा तो हम बोलते हैं हाउ मच इज दिस, राइट? हाउ मच इज दिस का मतलब इसका प्राइस कितना है. ओके, हाउ मच इज दिस? इट्स 10 यूरो, 10 रुपीज, $10. ओके, सो हाउ मच इज दिस मतलब ये जो चीज है जिसपे आप पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हो इसका प्राइस कितना है. डू यू स्पेंड ऑन योर होमवर्क? ओके, हाउ मच टाइम डू यू स्पेंड ऑन योर होमवर्क? अपने होमवर्क पर तुम कितना टाइम स्पेंड करते हो. Hurry up, we haven't got much time. Time uncountable noun हमारा और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है. So we haven't got much time. धीरे धीरे आप बोलते बोलते आपको अपना भी आइडिया लग जाएगा कहाँ पे हमें मच यूज करना है, कहाँ पर मैनी यूज करना है, कौन सा नेगेटिव देखते ही एकदम आपके दिमाग से सही वर्ड ही निकलेगा, राइट? तो प्रैक्टिस इज एक्चुअली नेसेसरी. हाउ स्पेशल इक्विपमेंट हैज ही गॉट? हाउ मैनी स्पेशल इक्विपमेंट हैज ही गॉट? Deepu eats rice but Tini doesn't have. Okay, Deepu eats too much rice, right? Rice cannot be counted. You can count the grains of rice but rice cannot be counted. So Deepu eats too much rice but Tini doesn't have much. Deepu बहुत ज्यादा चावल खाता है लेकिन Tini ज्यादा नहीं खाती. So Tini doesn't have much. I visited many European cities. Do you like cricket? Yes, very much. Were there many guests in the wedding? Yes, there were many. Guests can be counted, so we will use many. How much does Manish earn? Again, यहाँ पर पैसे की बात हो रही है, implied है, तो how much money बोलने की जरूरत नहीं. How much does Manish earn, right? How many countries has he visited? We enjoyed very much your stories a lot, your stories very much, your stories. Okay, so stories, we enjoyed your stories a lot. शीना is popular. She is, अगर वो popular है, that means उसके बहुत सारे friends होंगे. So she has got many friends. Friends can be counted, so she has got many friends. Naina doesn't have any. She hasn't got much patience. Patience cannot be counted, that's why she hasn't got much patience. Are there a lot of, many, much, lots of restaurants in your city? Restaurants can be counted. So are there many restaurants in your city? Or are there a lot of restaurants in your city? कुछ भी हम use कर सकते हैं. I've got the magazines for you. Magazines countable. So how many do you want? They eat many apples, a lot of apples, we can say. I wrote many poems. I have got too much money. Would you like some soup? I'm sorry, there isn't much. Did you enjoy the party? Yes, a lot, or yes, very much. How many pencils do you want? 6, please. He's very busy. He has too much work to do. Okay, so we have done good number of sentences over here, and once again just pause the session and read out all the sentences at least 2 to 3 times. Okay, apart from that, you can make a chart. You can write down the usage of a lot of, lots of, much, many, a few, very few, few, a little, very little, little, right? So it will be helpful for you, and I hope you have enjoyed the session, and I'll see you in the next session once again with some new topics. Bye bye.